Make a blogging or e-commerce website, drive free traffic to your website and start making money. This is how the plan of a lot of people are nowadays to make money online. But guys, the problem a lot of beginner face is driving traffic to their website. And in this video, I'll be telling you best 5 strategies which you can use as a beginner to drive free organic traffic to your blog post. Let's get started. Hey guys, hope you're safe and healthy there. My name is Mukesh, you're watching Earning Insight, and if this is your first time here in my channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell because I make videos on blogging and Pinterest marketing. Alright guys, so let me take you to the 5th strategy that I have for you today to drive free traffic as a beginner, and that is email marketing. So guys, think about it. You invest so much time in making a website, writing high quality blog post and doing the SEO of your website. Then you will have maybe 10 visitors in a day to your website, and you have only one chance, one interaction with that visitor. Do you want it? No. You want a relationship with that visitor. So what you need to do is you have to collect the email address of that people. So if you have that email address, the next time you write a high quality article, you can intimate him that, boss, I have written a high quality article, consider checking out. And there are instances where people will click on their mail and then check your particular blogging post. A lot of people think that this is an old school method, guys, but I highly recommend you to do it because there are possibility that Facebook may go out, Instagram may go out, YouTube may go out, but guys, believe me, your email list is your email list. If you go to big websites, big blogging website or e-commerce website, the only thing that they are looking for is an email address, because it is extremely important to make relationship with the visitor that is reading your article. Guys, the 4th tip that I have for you as a beginner is joining relevant Facebook group. So guys, if you don't know, there are a lot of Facebook group of specific niche of around thousands, hundred of thousands of people those are interested in the same topic. If you are into the health niche, if you write about articles on how to stay healthy, how to do exercise, there are a lot of Facebook groups which have these particular people who are interested in this particular niche. They joined this group. What you can do, you can just go and join the group. And one of the biggest mistake, guys, a lot of people make is they join the group and they start spamming that group. They used to publish their blog posts, YouTube videos, like anything, and they expect people to click on that blog post and read the blog post. But guys, one thing that you have to understand, that unless or until you are famous, unless or until people know you, nobody cares how many blog posts or how many YouTube videos that you are making. So the first thing that I recommend you to is add value to people. Ask people what the problem they are facing, then help them with the solution, and then in return ask them to read your article. Then they'll listen to you. If you go ahead and spam your article everywhere, nobody is interested to read your article, guys. The 3rd strategy that I have for you is this one. YouTube is, guys, the one of the biggest platform nowadays. YouTube is expected to be the future of blogging now. So guys, I highly recommend, if you are running a blog post or an e-commerce site, I highly recommend you to make videos, create relevant videos, embed the videos in your particular website. What that will do is, guys, that will have an interaction with your audience. The 2nd strategy that I have for you, guys, a lot of people don't realize this, but make sure to update your old content. So if you have started your blog post maybe around 1 year back, you may be around 40 to 50 article of yours which is around 1 year back. It is extremely important, guys, to upgrade these articles. Make sure you go ahead and change something in the article. Make sure to add in 2020 or 2021 in your article, so that when people search for it, people find it relevant. Update the information of the past articles. This is very, very important, guys, because you invested so much time already in that blog post, and if you don't upgrade this particular article, this will go up. Also, guys, nowadays everything is changing very fast. So if you have written a high quality blog post maybe around 1 to 2 years back, and now the systems are changed, the technology is changed, then you have to go and upgrade that article to make it relevant to today's visitors. So guys, this is one of the most important thing that a lot of people miss, but make sure to spend some time to upgrade your articles which is already there. Guys, the number one tip that I have for you is Pinterest marketing. So guys, if you are following me for quite some time, then you know that I am a Pinterest marketing expert, and I highly recommend all my students to use Pinterest because it helped me in the beginning stage to drive free traffic, and that to these websites. These traffics are from the T4 countries. These traffic are from US, Canada and Australia. So these are very high quality traffic. That is why I recommend people to do it. There are basically two methods which you have to do. It is not very complicated. Improve the CTR rate. Do a proper Pinterest SEO. In fact, I have created a detailed video on Pinterest SEO. You can check it on the I button, as well as I'll make sure to link it in the description bar itself. Do the Pinterest SEO. It is very simple compared to Google, and it will give you a lot of traffic than Google nowadays, because ranking on Google will not be easy for you if you are just starting your website, but ranking in Pinterest is very easy. If you are, in fact, if you are just starting out your website, the chances are more that you can rank your pins on the top of Pinterest. So guys, these are the 5 tips. Still, if you have some question, make sure to ask me in the comment section. Join our Facebook group, because we made a Facebook group of the people who are interested to drive free traffic to their website using Pinterest marketing. Make sure to join that. I'll make sure to link it in my description below. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, keep earning, keep learning. Bye bye.